Hey little yogis, I'm so happy you're here today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun and happy adventure. Today's practice is filled with playful moves and peaceful breath to help you feel strong, joyful, and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin our yoga journey.
Reach up high and touch the sky. Take a deep breath, don't be shy.
Bend and stretch from side to side.
Healthy, happy, full of
Butterfly
pride.
pose, Baddha Konasana. Increases flexibility in hips and thighs. Improves blood circulation and posture. Helps relax the body. Reduces muscle tension and encourages calmness, focus, and comfort during yoga practice.
Smile and move, come what may.
Let's do yoga
Every day.
Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Strengthens the back, shoulders, and arms. Improves posture and flexibility of the spine. Opens the chest. Supports healthy breathing. Reduces stiffness. And helps children feel energetic, active, and confident.
Lion roaring, cobra rise.
Confidence begins to rise.
Yoga with
Only move and shine. Strong and healthy every time.
Cat-cow pose improves spinal flexibility and posture. Strengthens back and abdominal muscles. Encourages deep breathing. Relieves tension. Improves coordination. And helps children stay relaxed, focused, and physically active.
Wake your body from its sleep.
focus, balance, mind so clear.
Yoga brings us joy and cheer.
Yoga with only
Camel pose, Ustrasana. Stretches the chest, shoulders, and spine. Improves flexibility and posture. Encourages deep breathing. Increases energy. And helps children develop confidence and body awareness through gentle back bending.
Keep on shining.
Keep on bright.
See you next time.
Downward dog pose.
Yoga
Strengthens
with only
arms, shoulders, and legs. Stretches the spine and hamstrings. Improves flexibility, circulation, and coordination while helping children build strength, balance, and overall physical fitness.
Hey kids, come and play. Yoga time, let's start today.
Stretch your body,
Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Strengthens the back, legs, and glutes. Improves spinal flexibility and posture. Opens the chest, supports healthy breathing, boosts energy levels, and helps reduce tension in the body.
Yoga with
Only move and shine, strong and healthy every time.
jump, stretch, breathe and play.
Growing stronger every day.
Yoga with only clap your
Boat
hands.
pose, Navasana.
Smile and move,
Strengthens abdominal muscles, back, and hips. Improves balance and coordination. Encourages focus, body control, and core stability, while supporting healthy posture and overall physical strength.
Pose, cow pose, nice and slow.
Feel your energy start to grow.
Elephant trunk swing around, marching feet upon the ground. Lion roaring,
Warrior
cobra
II
rise.
pose.
Confidence begins
Strengthens
to
legs and
rise.
shoulders while improving balance and endurance.
Strong and healthy
Enhances
every time.
focus, coordination, and stability. Helps children feel strong, confident, and energetic during physical activities and yoga sessions.
Do yoga.
Every day.
Inhale, exhale, nice and deep. Wake your body from
Triangle
its sleep.
pose, Trikonasana.
Balance, mind
Stretches
so
legs,
clear.
hips, and spine.
Yoga brings us
Improves
joy and
flexibility,
cheer.
balance, and posture. Strengthens core muscles, supports healthy circulation, and helps children develop coordination and body awareness effectively.
Move your body,
Body to the rhyme.
healthy hearts and happy play.
Yoga with Ome.
Every day.
Warrior I pose.
Done it right.
Builds strength in legs, arms, and core muscles. Improves balance, stamina, and concentration. Encourages confidence, determination, and body awareness, while supporting healthy posture and flexibility.
Na 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 na.
Eagle pose, Garudasana. Improves balance, concentration, and coordination. Strengthens legs and ankles while stretching shoulders and upper back. Helps children stay focused, patient, and aware of their body movements.
Tree pose strong, stand so tall, balance steady, don't you fall. Feel the breeze, feel the sun. Yoga makes exercise fun. Yoga
Mountain pose, Tadasana. Improves posture, balance, and body awareness. Strengthens legs and core muscles. Encourages proper breathing. Increases confidence, and helps children develop stability and focus in everyday activities.
Butterfly wings flap and fly, floating gently through the sky. Cat pose, cow pose, nice and slow.
Child's pose, Balasana. Provides gentle relaxation for the body and mind. Stretches the back, hips, and legs. Helps reduce stress. Improves flexibility. Encourages deep breathing, and promotes calmness and emotional balance.
Yoga with Omi, clap your hands, fitness fun across the land.
Smile and move, come what may.
Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Improves balance, concentration, and body coordination. Strengthens legs, ankles, and core muscles. Helps children develop confidence, patience, and focus while encouraging better posture and overall body awareness during daily activities.
Stretch to the sky, touch the day. Yoga helps us find our way.
Camel pose, Ustrasana. Stretches the chest, shoulders, and spine. Improves flexibility and posture. Encourages deep breathing. Increases energy, and helps children develop confidence and body awareness through gentle back bending.
Every day.
Boat pose, Navasana. Strengthens abdominal muscles, back, and hips. Improves balance and coordination. Encourages focus, body control, and core stability, while supporting healthy posture and overall physical strength.
Reach up high and touch the sky. Take a deep breath, don't be shy.
Bend and stretch from side to side.
Healthy, happy, full of pride.
Warrior II pose. Strengthens legs and shoulders while improving balance and endurance. Enhances focus, coordination, and stability. Helps children feel strong, confident, and energetic during physical activities and yoga sessions.
Smile and move, come what may.
Let's do yoga
every day.
Warrior I pose. Builds strength in legs, arms, and core muscles. Improves balance, stamina, and concentration. Encourages confidence, determination, and body awareness, while supporting healthy posture and flexibility.
Confidence begins to rise.
Yoga with
Only move and shine, strong and healthy every time.
jump, stretch,
Bridge
breathe and
pose,
play.
Setu Bandhasana. Strengthens the back, legs, and glutes. Improves spinal flexibility and posture. Opens the chest, supports healthy breathing, boosts energy levels, and helps reduce tension in the body.
Focus, balance, mind so clear.
Yoga brings us joy and cheer.
Yoga
Downward dog pose. Strengthens arms, shoulders, and legs. Stretches the spine and hamstrings. Improves flexibility, circulation, and coordination while helping children build strength, balance, and overall physical fitness.
Great job, kids, you've done it right.
Keep on shining.
Keep on bright.
See you next time.
Hip hooray.
Cat-cow pose improves spinal flexibility and posture. Strengthens back and abdominal muscles. Encourages deep breathing. Relieves tension. Improves coordination. And helps children stay relaxed, focused, and physically active.
Yoga with Omi, sing along. Every child is brave and strong. Stretch to the sky, touch the day. Yoga helps us find our way.
Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Strengthens the back, shoulders, and arms. improves posture and flexibility of the spine, opens the chest, supports healthy breathing, reduces stiffness, and helps children feel energetic, active, and confident.
Yoga with Omi
every day.